Good morning and welcome back to my channel. It's a nice cool morning here in Southwest Florida. It's about 55 degrees, nice and comfortable. And today I thought I would show you how I'm going to start 3 different variety of Determinate tomatoes. These will be the replacements for my tomatoes that were killed in the last month's winter freeze. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, these were purchased from Johnny Seeds. The first variety is called Celebrity Plus. Second one is called Galahad. And the third one is called the Defiant. The Defiant has a 65-day to harvest. The Galahad has a 69-day, and the Celebrity Plus has a 72-day. I staggered the dates like that so that I should be able to have tomatoes up until it's time for me to plant my other tomatoes for the summer. So I'm going to put them in a 6-cell tray. I want to have 2 cells for each variety of seeds, and I'm probably going to put 2 or 3 seeds in each cell and weed out the weakest ones once they come up. Okay, the first one's going to be the Galahad. So I'm going to put a little dimple with my index finger. First one is the Galahad, so let's find those. Okay, press them down, make sure they are touching the soil. Put the extras back. Slightly cover. Okay, move on to the next one. Next one is the Defiant. And we're going to repeat the same process. Last one, the Celebrity Plus. Okay, those of you that follow my channel know that I always top my seeds off with perlite. So this is what this is. That. Okay, the last step is to, well, the last two steps. I'm going to water from the bottom, so I'm going to pour some water into my tray, and then I'm going to sprinkle water on top. Okay, so as you can see, they're all watered in. I have water in the tray, and I sprinkled water on top of the perlite. I'm going to allow the soil to soak up as much water as it possibly can. If there's any left over, then I'm going to discard it. Okay, the germination rate for all of these is real good. The Celebrity Plus is at 90%. The Defiant is at 99%. And the Galahad is at 99% also. So hopefully I should have a real good germination rate, and we can have some tomatoes. Okay, I'm going to put my seeds up. If you're like me, then you have a lot of tomato seeds. And yep, I do. Here are some of my tomatoes. I have another container of seeds, and I'm pretty sure I probably have tomato seeds in it as well. Okay, this is a parthenocarpic cucumber, and later on in the summer I'm going to plant these. They don't need to be fertilized. They will automatically themselves fertilize themselves, as long as I keep them from other cucumbers. The last couple of years, I've grown a variety called Monica, which is also parthenocarpic, but this year I'm going to switch up and see how these do. Go. Here's the Monica variety that I was speaking of from Baker Creek. Okay, I want to thank you for coming along with me while I started my Defiant, Celebrity, and Galahad tomatoes. I'm looking forward to having a nice crop. They were replacements for the ones that were damaged in the frost or freeze. The Florida 91 and the Sweet Cherry 100. So looking forward to it. I want to take this moment to have you consider joining my channel or subscribing to my channel. I know several of you watch it but haven't subscribed. Go ahead and subscribe. That really helps my channel out a lot. If you do subscribe, don't forget to hit the like and notification bell. The notification bell will allow you to be made aware of when I upload new content. In my comment section or description box of this video, you'll see links for various companies that I'm affiliated with. My Amazon storefront is also there, along with my website. So at this moment, remember, even in small spaces such as mine, you can grow great amounts of food for yourself and your family. Stay strong, stay blessed, and grow, grow, grow.